Hello, dear students of class 3rd. We began the final term with a prayer. I hope it was easy for all of you. Today, let's start with a new chapter. It is time to open your moral science books on page number 34, Unit 7, page number 34, Unit 7. Develop the talents, which means how to develop your talents. Children, what is talent? Talent is a skill that someone has to do something very well that people usually like, and that is difficult. Talent is a skill that someone has to do something very well that people usually like, and that is difficult. One can have more than one talent. The one who has a talent is called talented. The one who has a talent is called talented. So, dear children, let's read today Unit 7 and know what the unit has to offer. Page number 34, Unit 7, Develop Your Talents. God has given everybody some talents. In fact, it is our duty to identify and develop them. If not, we are doing injustice to God, the Creator. When we hear talents, we should not think that only those who are able to sing and dance are talented. A person who can play well or love others is equally talented like a singer or dancer. In short, don't worry about what we do not have, but think of what we have. In short, don't worry about what we do not have, but think of what we have. I am black and very big in size, but you know I am talented. I am strong enough to lift heavy objects. Children, do you know what is it? Yes, it is an elephant. Everybody says I am very small, but I am also talented. I am very active. Can you believe it? I can climb on huge trees. Yes, I am squirrel. I know that I am not at all attractive, but see how beautiful my home is. Yes, I am really a talented designer. Children, do you know who is it? It is a spider. I am not much powerful, but I have a very beautiful appearance, and no doubt people do love me. I am a bird. Everybody thinks I am a fool, but I have a very few talents. I can jump from one branch to another. Moreover, I can imitate human beings. Yes, it is a monkey. Do what you can with what you have. Where you are. Do what you can with what you have. Where you are. Move to page number 36, story time. Page number 36, story time. Everyone is talented. Everyone is talented. Kiran and Rajiv were good friends. They studied in a famous school in the city. Rajiv was very good in studies, but Kiran was an ordinary student with slow grasping power. One day, Rajiv found Kiran sad and depressed. Kiran said everyone in his class mocked him for having scored low marks. Rajiv consoled Kiran. He said, everybody is weak or strong in some areas. You should find out in which area you are strong. Kiran said, I am not good at academics, but I have a passion for swimming. Inspired by the words of his friend, Kiran practiced swimming regularly and excelled as a good swimmer. Kiran participated in the swimming competition and bagged his first prize. All his classmates who had mocked him before congratulated and carried him on their shoulders. He thanked Rajiv for helping him to identify his talent in swimming. He continued to practice and excelled as a great swimmer. One way or other, we are all talented. We need to spot our talents and develop them for achieving success in life. Dear students, today we have read the unit along with the story time. So I request you to read the unit in the next class. We will be doing explanation of this unit and the activity of this unit. So read it and try to understand, as the story is very interesting and easy. This story is of two friends. Children, do the reading practice and learn the difficult spellings. As I have noticed in the exams, you are not learning the spellings well. Thank you. Take care.